Distinguish between organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Point number 1. Organic compounds are characterized by the presence of carbon atoms in them. Apart from carbon, organic compounds contain elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, halogens, etc. Most inorganic compounds do not have carbon atoms in them. Some exceptions: metal cyanides, isocyanides, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, etc. Point number 2. Organic compounds exists as solids, liquids and gases. Most of inorganic compounds exist as solids. Point number 3. Bonding in organic compounds is mainly covalent. Bonding in inorganic compounds is mainly ionic. Point number 4. Organic compounds are more volatile and highly inflammable. Inorganic compounds are less volatile and less inflammable. Point number 5. In most of aqueous solutions, organic compounds are poor conductors of electricity. In most of aqueous solutions, inorganic compounds are good conductors of electricity. Point number 6. Organic compounds are mainly found in most of the living things. Inorganic compounds are found in non-living things like ores, minerals and rocks. Point number 7. Most of the organic compounds are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. Most of the inorganic compounds are soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvents. Point number 8. Organic reactions are slow. Inorganic reactions are fast and instantaneous. Point number 9. Organic compounds cannot make salts. Inorganic compounds can make salts like NaCl, CaCl2, MgCl2, Na2CO3, etc. Examples of organic compounds include fats, nucleic acids, sugars, enzymes, proteins and hydrocarbon fuels, etc. Example of inorganic compounds includes non-metals, salts, metals, ores, minerals, acids, bases, etc.